Here is a quick guide on how to connect your AirPods to a PC or laptop. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is on your Mac, tap on the Apple icon available in the top left corner of your screen. Now, all you have to do is tap on the System Settings option available there. Inside System Settings, you will get to see Bluetooth option available in the left slide bar. Tap on the Bluetooth. Once you tap on the Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now, open the earbuds case with the earbuds inside. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the earbuds case until the LED light starts blinking white. Now on your PC, click on the name of your earbuds and wait for the connection to complete. So that is it. Now your earbuds are connected to your PC or laptop and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.